Hey everyone, it's James, and I'm going to be going over my mnemonic devices for my specific topics. So the first topic I chose is long-term memory, and the mnemonic device I use for it is the acronym. So my acronym for the different types of long-term memory is Pepe's memory. The reason I chose this acronym is because, well, this is Pepe the Frog, and it's one of the oldest memes that I remember. So that makes it more meaningful for me to remember. So Pepe's, the P stands for procedural, the E stands for emotional conditioning, the second P stands for priming, the second E stands for episodic, and the S stands for semantic memory. The second topic I chose are the main parts of the brain involved in memory, and the mnemonic device I use for it is an acrostic. So the acrostic I used is he always pushes carts. The reason I made this acrostic is because I have a friend who used to push carts for his job, and that just like associating the acrostic with my friend makes it more memorable. So the H in he stands for the hippocampus, the A in always stands for the amygdala, the P in pushes is for the prefrontal cortex, and the C in carts is for the cerebellum. So those are my different mnemonic devices for the different topics. Thank you.